Welcome you to the last innovation workshop before the completion of NEANIAS project. Actually, NEANIAS has been started from November 2019 and is approaching the completion. Thank you very much for the physics department. On behalf of NEANIAS project, we would like very much to thank you, Professor Eleni Petra, Professor Kosmas Arazes, and Professor Theodoros that host us today, and all the representatives of the physics department, the researchers, graduate, undergraduate students that came today. So we're going to have this agenda for today, not very tiring for everybody, just to welcome you, and then a very, very short introduction from myself regarding NEANIAS objectives and the accomplishments up to now. Followed up with an introduction of the three thematic areas, starting with the underwater. We've elaborated three thematic areas: the underwater, the atmospheric, and the space and astrophysics. The astrophysics and space represent as a country because they became lost in the National Technical University of Athens and not on the University of Athens. So this was one of the causes of the delays. So we have a very short coffee break, and then we will follow up with the testing and assessment of the services. This is the hard part of today, and you're everybody welcome to test our services. They became in a very mature situation now, and then we'll have an open discussion led by Eleni Petra, the work package leader from the innovation and the business cases. Thank you, Eleni Petra, that came here from Innomine, the representatives and the very active coordinators of the innovation part of our project. And then I'm just starting a very, very short introduction regarding our project. So regarding NEANIAS has a very big name, as everybody can understand. It's about novel emerging technologies on underwater, atmospheric, and space. And the main purpose of this project was to bring thematic services coming from underwater, atmospheric, and space. Okay, so the ecosystem of open science in Europe is very much supported by the European Open Science Cloud, and the main strategy coming from the European community is to bring thematic services, and by NEANIAS come thematic services from underwater, atmospheric, and space to the broader audience, communities coming from the researchers, businesses, and industry, and having a lot of exploitation opportunities. So the overall project objectives is to address community needs, as I said before, for underwater, atmospheric, and space, bringing together multidisciplinary communities, and alignment, of course, to European innovation strategies on the European Innovation Council, Innovation Hub, etc. And above everything, to power up the European Open Science Cloud. So we are more than 20 partners, 21 partners coming from many countries, and from Germany, from Hungary, as Katarina Gabor and Zoller Christian here, from France, Portugal, Spain. More than 7 countries participate, and thank you very much that you came today. And as I said before, this is a nice graphic about NEANIAS, bringing 3 thematic sectors to multiple communities. So the diverse of communities addressed by NEANIAS are spanned into very different sectors: underwater geologists, geologists, oil and gas engineers, insurance, atmospheric sector. We address in geologists, urban and quality authorities, geohazard responsibles and stakeholders. And for the space, you can see astrophysics, science, space engineers, planetary, many opportunities for many communities. So I'm passing now, the underwater we're going to be presented by Marcus Duskos, atmospheric services by Professor Axomanikis and Controls, and space services by Eva Siaka. Passing through, and the innovation business cases, there are 2 NEANIAS, actual NEANIAS business cases, and more than 7 coming from datathons, hackathons, and the open call, the 2 open call phases that we've been already. And we are very proud proud of NEANIAS that we are supporting more than 7 companies that came and brought us many ideas of how to exploit NEANIAS services, and there are many to come. So the NEANIAS how to take away, which are the many results and the outcomes. 14 services onboarded up to now to use the European Open Science Cloud, more than 140 other users.
They're asking, are you going to share your screen or not?
Yes.
So again, this is the most important, I must say, presentation slide of today. What we take away from NEANIAS that more than 14 services come from underwater atmospheric space, already resulted from NEANIAS. More than 400 users. 2 NEANIAS business cases, more than 7 external SMEs that have been together with us, exploring NEANIAS services, and liaison and linking to many other European projects, not only to Ramones that is presented today, and thank you to Metzimetis that has a lot of perspectives to discuss in the near future, and of course large numbers of students as we are today, PhDs, researchers that came and give us more thoughts and more ideas regarding the continuation and exploitation of NEANIAS. We're looking forward for your cooperation, your participation. Thank you very much that you came today. And I'm passing the floor to underwater Michael Truskos to present us the very important activities and services coming from underwater.